Welcome, everybody. Welcome to our live market analysis for the Sky Vision Lounge. Sky Vision Lounge um, live analysis. So, we want to see what the market is doing, and we want to know how to position ourselves and get the maximum of get the best of the opportunity presented to us. Like we always say, you need to ask three questions, and it doesn't matter which process you use. You need to always know what is price doing or what is price about to do. So we'll just look at a couple of pairs, instruments, and then see what price is doing. So remember, our trading process, we have three processes that we use for our signals. Or yeah, I'll call it signals for confirmation to know which direction the market is going. So we have the BOS, which is the break of structures, and very closely to that, which goes very nicely with that, is the market structure shift. And then we have the rejection candle setups as well. Okay. RJ, we just call it rejection candles like that. Okay. Oh, rejection candle, it should be RC, right? Okay. It should be RC, yeah. Rejection candles. All right. So that is those are the processes we use. And no matter what process you use, whether you use moving average or RSI or Bollinger Bands or whatever it is that you use, you must have a structure to it. You must have a process to it. It's when you don't have a process to it, then you'll be trading haphazardly. You want to see your setup and then you follow that setup. And typically what we use um, is we know that in a trend, if market is moving down, for instance, it will break structure and then pull back and then break another structure, giving you lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs like that. Okay, so that's the structure we want to use, and then want to look for areas where we can take the best opportunities. We want to see if we can get opportunities at the higher lows there and then follow it back down to those lows like that. Okay, so that is all the structure we are using every time. Okay, so let's look at what the market has done overnight. So, question, what did price do overnight? Okay, so we just start from today. We don't need to look at what happened 3 days ago or 4 days ago. So just look, see, price went up. So this is gold, 30 minutes charts. Price went up, came back down, went up again, but you will notice it didn't actually break above these highs. So it's giving us a potential higher low. It's already giving us a indication that it's likely to, if it's giving you a higher low here and it did not break the highs here, what is it likely to do? It's likely to come and break these lows here, right? And what has it done? It's broken these lows. So right now it's in like indecision mode, right? We have a big bearish candle. We have a rejection candle right there, which means it has a potential to actually move back up. But in our structure, as we're looking at it, we expect a pullback. It's giving us that pullback, and then we expect it to continue going downwards, right? Because price has broken structure right there at these lows here. And then, so where is our line in the sand? So currently, we'll say our line in the sand, when we're using those breakout structures, our line in the sand is above here. Right. So for all we know, price can come all the way to the top here before coming back down, or it will come to the top and just continue going up. Do we need to know whether price is going to come all the way up here? No, we don't care. All we know is that we get our setup and then we follow our setup. Okay. For those of us in the inner circle, you know that if you wanted to, for instance, if you wanted to take a trade on this rejection candle here, yes, you could have taken that trade and then expected to at least move some bits. Okay, but once you then get a break below here, then this candle is no longer validated, right? And you never know, like we always say, you never know what price is going to do. You just take your setup, right? So let's look at what happened yesterday. So yesterday, I think just about New York session, price gave us a nice rejection candle there, right? Now, when he gave us that rejection candle, where is it likely to go? It's likely to come to these highs. And what did he do? Look at it came here just to these highs, and then changed, gave you another setup, right? give you another setup that, okay, we're likely to go down. So are you courageous enough to say, okay, I can see breakout structures, I can see rejection candles. I want to take that opportunity, right? And then you take that opportunity. I actually missed this trade yesterday. But I'm sure some of my people in the inner circle, they were able to get that, right? So that is what this whole thing is about. There is a lot of the trading is a lot of uncertainty, but you follow in the uncertainty, you just follow process, right? It's just like life. Nobody can guarantee that we'll be here tomorrow, but we have the faith that yes, we have a mission to do, we have a purpose to fulfill, so we plan and work towards that, right? If the Almighty says it's time to go, yeah, it's time to go, right? But as long as we are here, as long as we have breath, as long as I can open my eyes, I can say, thank you, Lord, this is another day, and then I'll rejoice and be glad in it and get on with the work that has been committed to my hands, right? So that is it. Anyway, so let's go to the next chart. So for those of us trading pound yen. Okay, so pound yen is actually falling, and it's falling very nicely. So we have something like this, came down, went up. So during Asia session, and then eventually you have a break of structure, maybe somewhere down there. You see a small pullback, and then it's going just flushing down, right? So we expect some sort of pullback at some point, okay? And then for it to continue downwards. Okay. Would it be okay to enter an entry here? No, it's not okay to enter. We don't want to enter at the lows. We want it to pull back and then go in there. We enter on that pullback. It's usually better to enter on the pullback, except if you just want to risk it and just say, okay, I'm just going to enter my entry here and put my stop loss maybe somewhere there or up there, right? So, but right now, price is looking very bearish. Yeah, it's looking very bearish. Let me see. I think it's probably targeting as it's going further down now. I think it's targeting these lows here. So maybe once it gets to these lows, it will then move back up, right? And what I wrote a note yesterday and I said, once you get a setup, or rather once you miss a setup, just leave it, go for the next one. Okay, just leave it and go for the next one. All right, so let's look at euro yen. What has price done overnight? Price that's the wrong one. Okay, let me close that one. So what did price do overnight? Came down, did the similar kind of setup. Nice break of structures there, right? So if you're at your chart at this time, that would have been a good entry. It didn't actually pull back anywhere. It just flushed all the way down. So what do we expect? We expect some sort of pullback and then continuation to the downside. Okay, let's put this one down here. Okay, right. So nothing much to do there. Pound Aussie. Okay, so pound Aussie is what's happening to this one here? The candle is coming up before. Let me close that. Okay, so pound Aussie is pushed down, pushed back up. Nice break of structure. You see a very nice pullback, right? It just wicks this high and then comes back down. Another break of structure. So what is it doing? It's pull back again and then another. So all these your pullbacks here is the area for you to make your entries, right? As a trader, as a professional trader that you are, you always make decisions. You always make decisions and stick with your decision. Once you made your decision, just follow your process. Okay? Just follow your process. So let's look at this other one. Price is what is this? Euro USD. Oh, right, very nice. Euro USD push up, push down, and then it's pushed back down and then up. Nice break of structures right there. A pullback, very small one, and then it's going back down. Okay, so what do we expect? We expect it pull back up and then continue downwards, potentially. Okay, let's look at pound USD. Oh, pound USD. These things are just flushing downwards. What's happening? Okay. So it's pushed down, pushed up, pushed down again, pushed up. Nice break of structure for those of us trading Asia session, right? So we're looking for opportunity now in the London session. So want to see potential pullback and then we'll go further down, right? What if it doesn't pull back? Yeah, that's fine. You can just put, what I will do, I'll put a line in the sand there. If this candle closes very bearish, like this, And if I'm interested in taking this trade, I'll just wait for a pullback on this particular candle and then go further down with it like that, right? So a number of ways to trade these things, right? Let's look at UJ. I know some of us like UJ. Yay, Mrs. A is here. Beautiful. Oh, where's my UJ? Okay. UJ, okay. Oh, UJ is not doing much. UJ is just, you can see it. I mean, you see all the other pairs that we've been looking at. It's been giving us nice break of structures here and there, but look at this. Just by merely looking at this, you can see it's not going anywhere, right? It's just gone up from here. It's come down, went up, came back down, rejected these lows, tried to come up again, and then he's here. So it's a lot of sideways movement. So will I take this trade right now? No, I won't take this trade right now. I'll just wait for it. Let it give me proper structure. Okay. Good, good, good. So do we have any questions? Let me see. Do we have any questions? Where is the chat box? Let me see if there's any question in the chat box.
Good morning, sir. I still hear me
Hey,
clearly.
good morning, my sis.
I have a question on
Okay.
gold.
Yes.
Um,
Oh, did you
so
say
now
on
we're waiting for
gold?
the yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's go to gold
You've
then.
because I think you've finished doing all the analysis now, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay, fine. So now we're waiting for a pullback to go to make a lower high,
yes.
basically. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
fine. So we're saying that we believe it's bearish,
Yes,
okay, until it takes out the initial lower high, and then it will become bullish when it retests
yes,
the zone. Okay.
yes.
No, that was the only question. That was the only question.
Yes, okay, okay, yeah, good. So and then the other thing, it's always a because the market is there are lots of it's a market of probabilities, right?
Yeah.
So you have potential. You can say, okay, for instance, for me, like this, I can see this rejection candle. This is a nice kangaroo tail, right? So I can take a quick scalp buy from here, expecting it to at least push up a bit, maybe even back to these highs here or a little bit more. Then I'll look for the potential for it to come back down.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
that's what I was looking
Okay,
for.
good.
Yes,
Yes.
that's what I was
Okay.
looking at. Okay.
Beautiful.
Okay,
Yes, that's
fantastic.
good. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank
All
you.
right. Thank you. So we'll see you back at New York session. New York session. All right. Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Beautiful.